MicroStrategy is undoubtedly the biggest corporate player with the largest crypto holdings currently in the market. However, the U.S. Govt holds an even bigger stash of Bitcoins seized from two notorious routes. Last month itself, the U.S. Govt seized a total of 70,000 Bitcoins from the Silk Road. Recent surge in Bitcoin's price has proven to be a boon for the United States government, which now finds itself holding a significant amount of the cryptocurrency. The latest figures indicate that the federal authorities' Bitcoin holdings have surged to at least $8.3 billion, marking a substantial increase from the $5 million reported less than 3 months ago. This uptick in Bitcoin holdings is attributed to actions taken by authorities between November 2020 and 2022. During this period, 3 separate actions resulted in the disclosure and seizure for $7 million, and 4 separate actions result in infectious stable links to dark web, a mystery. At a half for $7 million separate actions result. The document may still be convinced it's crypto exchange breach. On the contrary, MicroStrategy holds 189,150 BTC, acquired for around $5.9 billion. Notably, less than 5% of the seized Bitcoins have been sold to date. In February of the previous year, officials liquidated 9,861 BTC previously owned by Silk Road, the Coinbase platform. The sale generated $215 million at an average price of $21,800 per Bitcoin, roughly half of the current market price. U.S. attorneys had announced their intention to sell the remaining Bitcoins from Silk Road, totaling 41,491 BTC, and valued at $1 billion then and $1.8 billion in today's market. The plan was to conduct these sales in 4 batches over the following calendar year, with 2 months remaining until the expiry of this period, reported Blockworks. Thus, the market awaits further developments regarding the government's Bitcoin holdings and potential sales. First, the United States Department of Justice has potentially completed 1 batch of Bitcoin sales, sending 8,200 BTC, valued at $252 million then and $350 million now, to Coinbase in July of the previous year. However, the confirmation of actual trades resulting from this transaction remains unverified. If these transactions are recognized as sales, the U.S. government would have generated $640 million by seizing and selling Bitcoin over the past decade. Notably, the price of BTC and is multiplied 70 times during this period. Had the U.S. authorities chosen to retain all seized BTCs rather than selling them, their holdings would now stand at around 400,000 BTC, equivalent to $17.4 billion, nearly doubling the current cap. The market anticipates the possibility of more Silk Road Bitcoin being liquidated by the U.S. government in the coming months. However, there is currently no official timeline for the sale of Bitcoin seized from Bitfinex hackers Ilya Dutch, Liechtenstein, and Heather Razzlecan-Morgan. Market participants will closely monitor developments regarding these potential sales amid the dynamic cryptocurrency. The U.S. potentially holds the world's largest government Bitcoin stash, surpassing El Salvador, Ukraine, Bhutan, Venezuela, and Finland combined. China seizing $195,000 and $24 billion in 2020. That the initial solve that gives us the U.S. if it hasn't sold its holdings early.